Hello, my friends. I want to introduce you interesting software, a bridge between CAD and Polygon and game engines that calls Pixyz from Unity. In a Pixyz, you can import large model of CAD that create with nerves, and then you can optimize it, convert it, retopology, and remesh it to other softwares, webs, games, VFX, mobile. It can repair your model, you repair your polygons. You can see it repair a CAD. It has a repair CAD algorithm. uh, you can see it's very interesting. It's completely remesh and remake your topology and your polygons, and it also can create a UV for your model, your CAD model. You can see it's completely repack it, and it's prepare your also it can level of detail for your game engine. It also can a lots of other things to optimizing your CAD model or other polygon model. You can insert any model to that. With this powerful algorithm in this software, you can convert and repair, retopology, remesh your model to your game engine or other things that you want. Also, I told you before, it can create level of detail for your game engine. It's very easy, and you can go to his website and request trial version, and if you want, you can purchase it. And I want to create a tutorial for this software, and let's begin. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.